Welcome John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is about a Mini 2015 onwards F56 where we've done a reverse camera retrofit. That in essence means a factory genuine BMW Mini reverse camera working through the original screen. I'll quickly show you how it works. It's pretty simple. You just select reverse. It's automatically going to come up. You're going to hear the parking sensors bonging because I'm quite close to the item behind. Customer now has reverse camera on the original screen as well as factory parking sensor overlay. It's a great option. I'll show you the camera on the back. It's a factory option as I mentioned, so it's BMW genuine. Has to actually change this panel here. This panel gets replaced actually for a new piece because the actual camera is built into the housing down here. Extremely nice installation using BMW genuine parts. What we can also do on these Minis, if you haven't got Apple CarPlay on these Minis and you can't add it because you've got the most basic BIS01 option, then actually what we can do is we can actually replace the screen in the front, which you'll see in another video on our channel, and actually put a new screen in with Apple CarPlay. This customer's had this upgrade done as well, but that's another video. But there you go, you can just show you Apple CarPlay working on the original screen. This is a BMW simple camera retrofit on an F56 Mini using BMW genuine parts. My name is Connor, got Max behind the camera, and from all the team at John Kleis Car Audio, we hope you have a good day. See you later.